Hey, developer? Yeah, you, behind the screen. What is this garbage? I literally crawled out of hell. I defeated heroes. I terrorized kingdoms. But I can't climb these stupid stairs in your game? Seriously, is that too much to ask?
Alright, so let me show you a bunch of ways to fix it. 1. Increase the step offset. In your character controller component, check the step offset. If it's set to something tiny, yeah, congratulations, your character is basically a Roomba. Set it to a higher value so your character is actually allowed to climb steps. Also increase the slope limit if it still sucks.
What if someone doesn't use a character controller? What then? You want me to just yeet myself up the stairs?
If a character uses a rigid body movement, you can simulate the step climbing using 2 Raycasts. These lines cast the ray forward from the slightly elevated position near the player's feet to check if there is an obstacle directly in front of the character within a certain distance. If the ray hits something, the condition becomes true, meaning, okay, there is something in front of me. Then it casts a second ray forward from a higher position on the character to check if there is still an obstacle at step height. If not, it means the upper ray does not hit anything, then the obstacle is short enough to be a step. Then we apply an instant upward force to the rigid body, giving a character a quick boost to pop them up onto the step. It's basically a tiny jump. Method 3. Well, in the AAA games and big projects, they rarely rely on Raycast for stairs because it is unstable at higher speeds. Instead, they use a ramp glider. You make a cube with a box glider, disable its mesh renderer so it is invisible. Then rotate and shape it to form a smooth ramp over the stairs. The player doesn't actually walk on the steps, they walk on the hidden ramp and the movement feels smooth and next G. Thanks for watching.